Hi guys, it's me, Hi C, and I'm very excited for this one kasi ito yung unang reaction video ko. And of course, yung una kong i-react would be our very own, yung Itsumo. Itsumo by Dyson K9 with me. Nung nilabas tong song na to, I was Sachi Yuichiro. Para para Japanese kuno, kuno. So, the music video is my first episode and I cannot delay it anymore. Actually, gusto ko siyang i-react before pa, but then, ngayon na lang. And I cannot delay it anymore since in a few days, maglalabas kami ng bagong music video ng Itsumo for its 20th anniversary. So, samahan niyo ko as we walk down. Samahan niyo ako as we walk down memory lane back to 2004. Matagal ko nang hindi napanood 'tong video na 'to. Yung intro, that was a friend, si Mushi. And after this video was shot, I just learned that her real name is Jennifer Lopez. As in, we have a Jennifer Lopez in the intro of the video playing the koto. Oh, diba? And after that, there was Mob Music. Mob Music is the production ni Dice and the K9. So, Trap. Trap. Si Trap, he's the coolest and he wants to look cool always and to have him wear that. Let's continue.
Just call me firstborn, you're my first love and my first kiss from up above. And I don't care if you don't give love back, cause in my heart is where your ass is at. I love your eyes, your nose and your tender lips. Wanna kiss your neck, your shoulder to your fingertips. I go crazy when you shake those sexy hips. Baby girl, you're the one I can't resist. You know I loved you from the very start. I don't care if you break my heart. I'm the man and I'm here for you. Believe me, cause my love is true.
Oh my God, ang papayat. Ang papayat nating lahat. Naming lahat. First verse. Okay, there was Alex Lim. Si Trap was there. Mia and who's that other friend? Hindi ko siya nakita here. So, this video was shot on a Holy Thursday, 2004. It was one day shoot lang ba? Basta it was on a Holy Week. And this here is a convenience store. Japanese convenience store siya. It's Machiya Mart. It's the one in Manila. And we were, back then, we were fond of Japanese stuff. We have magazines na Japanese. Wala, natatawa lang ako sa mga itsura. We were really young back then. Imagine, it's 20 years ago. Asan kayo nung time na yun? Wait, let's continue. Wait, my makeup. Actually, wala akong makeup. And so this was 2004, di ba? Tingnan niyo yung kilay. And the outfit. Wala naman kaming costume. Wala kaming, it's like, Wala kaming budget that time. We were how old? And yung ginamit naming camera dito is a camcorder. Like, kaninong camcorder yun? I don't know. A friend. And yung nag-shoot ng video are our college friends from, USCTC. It's San Carlos in Talamban. It was Chad and Bao, right? And we didn't, they just allowed us to shoot there.
You wanna get down with K-N-I-N-E. Make sure that's pure L-O-V-E. And never talk about the I-C-E, cause I only got my H-E-A-R-T for Y-O-U. I can't pay the bills for dinner, I'll just give her my I-O-U for sure. I'm not after F-U-C-K, got no B-A-D intentions to wanna play, girl. Maybe we might spot a UFO. Wait, that's not part of the rhyme, just felt like saying so. You gotta know that I love you from the start till F-O-R-E-V-E-R. What?
Oh my God, wait. Ang grabe, ang payat nyo. And the hair, this is a 2-day shoot, I think. Kasi the first part, yung sa first part, is mahaba yung hair ni K9. And then here, wala na. I think he had a haircut. That immediately after the one. And for the music video, napapansin nyo, the last third of the video is different kasi pinagsama namin yung remix tsaka yung original. Ay, yung pala, yung video, yung part ni Mushi, it was shot in a restaurant, in a Japanese restaurant in Lapu-Lapu. And then the last part, dun sa remix na part, we had some, kumuha kami ng mga dancers, snipers, and bunch of friends, yung mga hindi nag-out of town nung Holy Thursday. So they're all there. I'll check if I could name them, ha. Kasi the video, the quality is not anymore, it's not anymore clear. And this one, sa sa place ni Yan Nix ng Power Spoons in Mandaue. So let's continue. That was Gabby Alipe. That was Bangin. Si Gabby Alipe of Urban Dub. He was, college. Wow, nakapila sa CR, tapos kami daw nasa loob. Nagtagal. Okay. Oh, wait. I saw Mirza. Oh, there. Mirza, there's Lalay. Lalay of Urban Dog. Is this Linte? Best friend ni K9. This is Kai Maningo, Trap's brother. Yung iba hindi ko na This is Alex Slim. Alex. I have the sandwich tank top. Hello. Thank you, sandwich. Thank you, Rames. Yan. This is Gabby. This is Moy, Alex Lim's brother. Nial. Snipers. Oh my God, my eyes. And yung cap, I think this is Dice's golf hat I'm wearing. Ang liit pa ng ng mundo ko. Oh my, Snap Snipers there. Oh, I did dance on this one.
Baby girl, be my first lady. Be the mom of my first baby. What? You didn't like me when you first saw me.
There's Gabby, there's Trap, and Bangin. DJ Bangin.
I'll be gentle, I'll do it slowly.
Girl, I think it's better if you was with me. I got
So, in this part, kaya siguro ano, yung sa magpakailanman natin, they wanna show na like si Dice and K9 was ano, parang what do you call that in Tagalog? Kanang pinag-aagawan ako or something like that. Kasi because of the song, that's what the song is about. Parang, 'di ba, one girl and ano, dalawang manliligaw or something.
dough, cause I just want this spelling bee for you. I got all the T-I-M-E. Ask mommy
Yung dimples ni
the
Gabby.
pants, but I'm not so sure. Just doing my own thing. Shit's more expensive than your fancy gold ring. I don't mean this because
Yeah, there, Lalay. Mirza, Trappy. Yanix is there. Nasa likod. Yanix from Power Spoons.
the guys can go there. Mommies don't care. All for them ladies, even chicks with no springs.
That's Neil. Neil or Nial. Was he part of the Koan? The group Point Blank, yeah, with K9. They're in college at this time. Oh, this is this Trap with his brother. Prodigal Son. Sky Maninga. They're both in the States na. Oh, that's Alex Lim. Alex Lim. Not Slim. Alex Lim. This is Yanix. Yanix, thank you. Yanix has been very supportive of the lahat ng mga banda. Whatever they want, he provides. Sa din niya, sa place din niya, sinut yung 'di ba, yung In Your Head. I know, yung Holding It Down pala ng Dyson K9. This is Chad and this is Bao. Sila yung nag-shoot. Kanino sa kanila kaya yung camcorder? Or I don't know, maybe they borrowed it from someone. Basta sila yung nag-shoot. And then the video was edited by Pain, by Chris Villarino. Ito si Bao tsaka si Chad wala na sa Pilipinas to eh. Damn. Okay. Mobstar. Dyson Kanan and Mobstar are actually the same group before. But ngayon, parang, since kasi nawala si K9, as in like nawala siya from the group, we were really trying to establish Mobstar na. Kasi wala na si K9 eh. So we cannot be Dyson K9 without a K9. So, and we were, as in nahirapan talaga kami. So after nung album na yun, dinugtong ng next label, which is Dyson K9 Mobstar. So ang haba na ng pangalan, Dyson K9 Mobstar. Parang ganon. And then, eventually, tinanggal namin yung Dyson K9. We become Mobstar. And then, pa rin naman, constant pa rin yung release ng songs namin as Mobstar. Unfortunately, others don't know. Kasi they don't know Mobstar from Dyson K9. They cannot connect. And then ngayon na bumalik si K9. So, and then we have Mobstar. Okay. First, yung Mobstar was the four of us. Dice, K9, Trap, and me. And then nawala si K9, it became Dice, me, and Trap. And then Trap left for the States. It became Dice, High C, and Clumsy. And then that time, and then nawala si Clumsy, we had the song Heartbreaker, but Clumsy is part of the production of Heartbreaker, pero wala siya sa video. We had Chaz and Jay sa music side, Jay for the as the DJ and Chaz sa drums. So it was four of us. And then we went back to Cebu. It became Dice, me, and Garvey. That's the present lineup ng Mobstar. So, I hope na clear yan. And then, bumalik nga si K9. So, there's Dice and K9 and there's Mobstar. Okay, now let's go back to the song and discuss the most raised question about it. That it's not a question. But it's ano daw, it's grammatically incorrect. Like, duh. Alam namin yun. So, 2006, meron kaming Japan tour. It's the first time na nagpunta kaming Japan. And our audience were Japanese, hindi Filipino. And of course, we asked them if they understood the chorus. Some said yes, some said no, some said a little bit. It's just recently na I understood why? Kasi last year nag-aral ako Nihongo. And then like every other country, like sa Philippines, 'di ba? Regional yung dialects. In Japan, they have 5 regional dialects din. So, yung word na to means something else in other regions. And yung mga particles is different from one region to another. Ganun lang din. So, but they like the idea that we use Nihongo. They're very thankful and it's really cute daw. And it doesn't matter if they understood, if it's correct or wrong or whatever. Kasi sila din naman daw. They don't know how to speak English. And so, yeah, we were happy about it. And 20 years ago, we really don't have Google Translate. And people were not as critical as ngayon. Like, may nababasa kaming comments like, dapat ayusin na lang yung chorus, ganyan-ganyan. Dapat ayusin na yung pagkasabi kasi it's grammatically incorrect, blah, 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 blah. No. Hindi na po namin naayusin yun. That's part of the magic ng song. Ganun na siya. I let the classic be. Wala na. Hindi na namin i-correct and whatever. But I remember my cousin. Yeah. Share ko lang. My cousin was a nurse, or she was a nursing that time. And then there's a nursing review, diba? And she said, sa review daw nila, there's this what they call itsumo, and like ginagamit nila yon, parang technique or something. I forgot the term. That you really have to understand the context, even if you don't know like yung words or something, basta you understood the context daw. So, that's how you solve the problem. Parang ganun. So, Itsumo it's a love song. So, yun. Don't be so critical of it. Like, kahit tayo lang namang mga Filipino are very critical, especially if mga Pinoy lang din ang gumagawa eh. So, we also have Japanese artist friends in Japan, and they really don't care about how wrong yung particles ng chorus. They love the idea. They love how cute the song is. So, kayo lang naman eh. Another issue was the plagiarism daw from Utadas. Okay, so guys, can you make up your mind? Ano ba talaga? Is it mali or is it from Utada? Kasi kung kay Utada yun, dapat correct, di ba? And no one from Utada's team like approach us or the label that we belong to about it. No plagiarism claims or something. So, give it a rest. It's just that that time, sige, alam mo yung when you have this something that's really big and you're new, like, new artist, parang inaano talaga yung credibility mo and then hinahanapan ka ng mali. Like, cause how could something so small, so simple, na hindi nila naisip made it that big? I remember in a dressing room sa, I think, GMA yun, there was Mr. Augie Alcacid, and he told us na, oh my God, the song was genius. Genius daw talaga. Like, it's very simple. But hindi ko naisip yun. Diba? Give the song a break. It gave us a lot. It opened a lot of doors for us. Quoting Dice, he said, Itsumo may not be the best song, but it's the best thing that ever happened to us, which is really true. And K9 said, if I'm not mistaken, he said, Itsumo is a gift that keeps on giving, because even after a long time until now, it keeps on giving us a lot of opportunities, and a lot of things that who would have thought. I mean, yeah, diba, it's a very simple song, but up until now, it's still playing in the club. Yeah, we're very thankful for the song. And yes, that's why we are celebrating its 20th anniversary. And I hope you can celebrate with us this Friday. That's November 22nd, as we launch the anniversary edition of the song. And I know maraming nagkukwento sa amin, like, nanligaw sila using the song, and they're married now. They've been married for like decades, and they have kids, not just one, but two, three, four, because of the song. Like, they fell in love because of the song, and they have Itsumo as the wedding song. And there was a kid born given the name Itsumo. Nasaan kaya yun siya? So, I know, hindi lang naman sa amin. Like, Itsumo became part of your life too. So, tell me about it. Tell us about it. May mga nagpatattoo ng Itsumo. So, I hope you can celebrate its 20th anniversary with us. Let's watch the new music video together on YouTube this Friday, November 22. So that's it for my first reaction video. If there's something that you want me to react to, may it be an event or a song or a video or a drama or what's going on online, offline, just comment it down below. And please don't forget to follow me on all my social media accounts, subscribe to my YouTube channel, ring the notification bell, and once again, it's me, Hi C. I'll see you on the next.